it's me, Kaitlyn, and today we're making some butter slime. So hope you guys give this video a big thumbs up. So let's get started. So the ingredients you will need is Elmer's glue, which I'm using a gallon. I'm not going to use the whole thing, but just some of it. And I do not know any of these measurements. I'm just second guessing myself. Wait, what? But yeah, second guessing myself because I normally would. Never mind. We're going to need some contact lens solution or saline solution, whatever you want to call it. And I have a bowl to mix my slime in, and I have a popsicle stick to mix my slime with. Some baking soda. Do not ask me why I have an extra big one. I just wanted to bring it in to make this look better. And you're going to need some modeling magic clay, which I am using white. So my slime's going to be white. So let's make some slime. So I am going to pour in my glue. Guys, I can do this. Oh my gosh, what is wrong with this? Oh my goodness, guys. Goodness, guys, I'm going to have to pause this and get this open. This is hard. Okay, guys, so I got it opened, and apparently somebody closed it really hardly, so I cannot. Oh my gosh, don't want my stick in there. Okay. Pour in the glue. And pour in some. There we go. That should be good. Okay. Let's put this cap back on so my glue doesn't dry out. Because if you see me like moving my hand up here, I record on my computer, like my laptop, so it's kind of uneven. So yeah. Now I'm gonna add in my baking soda. I just poured in my glue, and I'm gonna add in my baking soda. Now, remember, guys, I'm just estimating what I want. This is a big slime, so we're probably gonna need a lot. That should be good. Nope, a little bit more. That should be good. Okay, gotta put this just how it is to make this look nice. Now I'm gonna use my mixing stick and stir. Okay, guys, so I'm just mixing it until all the baking soda dissolves. So it's all dissolved. Now I am going to add in my saline solution or contact lens solution. I call it contact lens solution. It's just going to squirt at me. I feel like I'm missing a step, but I'm not. Pour this in. Start mixing. Get the slime forming. More. Because I'm going to add in paint. Because I'm going to add some paint. I know this might affect it, but I'm going to add some paint. So maybe right over there, I need some paint. So guys, I ain't going to go too far into it, so I'm just going to make some red slime. So I'm using red paint. Because I just decided I want to add some color, apparently. Holy guacas, that's a lot, guys. Oh my gosh, this better not stain my bowl. I just got it today. Paint smells good. This might not turn out the color I want it to be. It's a pretty good color. Okay, guys, so I add the paint last with the saline solution, so it does not matter what you do, just add in the paint sometime. You normally would... Guys, guess what I totally just did? Totally broke my stick. Of course, because that's me. Sorry about that, guys. I had to throw it away or it would be in my way. So, I totally broke my popsicle stick, which that sucks. The slime is so hard to mix. Okay. I will do ASMR at the end. Here we go. It's starting to form. It's really sticky. Add in some more. Oh, get this off of my fake nails, please. Guys, I am wearing fake nails. That's why I had some trouble opening up the glue. think we are not good yet. So guys, this is going to be a little bit trying to make this. Hopefully I can do more slime videos because I love making slime. Okay, I think we are good. Now I can start mixing with my hands. So, guys, this is so amazing. Look. It's hard making slime with fake nails on. I'm just going to add in just a tad more bit of... I add in my contact lens solution slowly. So if I was you, I'd probably add in my contact lens solution slowly. Okay. So now, I'm going to get out. Oopsie, bless you. Don't even know who that was, but bless you. I'm going to move my bowl out of the way. Okay, it does not stick to here. I'm going to have you guys, I don't know if I can like, move in. No, I can't. Okay guys, so I'm going to get a mat. Quickly. Sorry about that, guys. Luckily you guys can just see the thingamabobber. Oh man, get this right here. My ASMR doesn't really work that well with fake nails, but just have some good ASMR. So there we go. You guys can see my slime. I'm gonna open up my magic modeling clay. I'm gonna like spread it out. So gotta get some scissors to open this up. Get that out of the way. Come on. Okay. So soft. It's like the softest thing in the whole world. Plop it in there. Just spread it. If you hear that moving, that's my dog. He's moving right now. He's like trying to get his food. I need to move this up so you guys can literally see this like awesomeness happening right now. I mean, it's so heavy. Okay, guys. So there's still some big pieces of clay, so I'm trying to mix this all in. Whoopsie. So get the scissors out of the way. So I'm trying to mix this all in. So guys, still trying to mix in this modeling magic clay. I mean, it did make it really stretchy. No, that was not me, guys. That was the slime. Maybe I added too much. But that is kind of like butter slime. Guys, I'm so sorry that you have to sit here and just watch me mix this. But you guys will get to see the part where... Look at that. Look at this. Okay, I am so sorry, guys, for the people in the background. They're watching TV, which I do not want to watch their TV show because it's boring. Look at this. I don't know if I can make the Instagram swirl. Probably not. Well, kind of. I'm not good at the Instagram swirl. So soft, guys. I mean, this is so soft. I mean, it did make it pink, which I like that. So maybe I can try it again. Instagram swirl. You know what, that is actually really cool looking. Does not have any crackalackis. That's what I call it, crackalackis, guys. Okay, now from the moment of what we've been waiting for, to spread it. Look at that, guys. Oh, whoopsie. Look at the butter slime. Look at it. Okay, guys, so I love this slime so much. Here's a close look at it. It's so stretchy. Amazing. Look. Okay, guys, so now that I am done with my duty, now I am going to give you guys. Wait, what am I doing? I don't know. But I'm going to link down below the items I used, and that's pretty much it. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys have a great day, and I just really love slime. Dang it, there's no bubble, but okay. So, hope you guys have a great day. See you guys, love ya!